Hello DIYers. In this video we're going to show how to change out the rear lamps in a Honda Civic, approximately 2006 to 2011. We'll start by removing the floor cover. Okay, now we're going to just pull this out. So now we're going to pull this panel off here. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4 panel fasteners. You need to take these two out and they'll just pry out. Several of them are this unscrew type, where you take the middle piece out, unscrew it, and then then you pry the other one out. My favorite kind. Take the center piece right out. These are kind of a unique screw-in style. So just repeat on the other ones. Okay, now we can just pull it out of the way. These 4 tail end lights are in a nice tight cluster. So tail light, side marker. That counts for 3 different bulbs. That's the main tail light. And that bulb is a 7443. There's the side marker. And that is bulb 194. Okay, now for the tail light in the trunk. So all you have to take out is this one screw right here. There's a Phillips head on this one. You just have to get under here and pop it out. Now as you fold this down, turn this counterclockwise as always, and there it is. Okay, the markings on this bulb are 8YA or 168. Okay, there's the turn signal, the amber bulb, which is right here, marked WY21W. And the backup light, which is the one over here on this end, marked W21W or 7440. Okay, so reset. It goes behind over here. So you got to put it behind there first. And just put in all the panel fasteners, including the 2 back there. Get those all back in place. All 6 of them. Now we can slide this one in. Snaps into place. Thanks for watching. Keep those lights burning and please subscribe.